He wears pure black. His official weight is 129 pounds. He has a boxing record of 1 win. Representing Laurente Boxing Team General Santos City, please welcome Miko Cholo Alvarez. Fighters, center of the ring, referee cannot make sure we'll have this final instruction.
Alright, boxers, this is 4 rounds of boxing. I want you to protect yourselves and follow my commands at all time. It's the deal. That's love, Bagdikon.
This is the first round.
Box!
Cholo Alvarez versus the red trunks.
Is Carlo Romulo with 1 win, 0 loss, and 0 KO. Well, ito naman, actually pareho sila partner na
nag-stand
lahat ay may 1 win and walang loss.
Boxer Miko Cholo Alvarez.
May isa talaga dito partner after ng fight na to is magbabahiran ang malinis na record.
Yes, partner.
One of them. Ayun!
Nice.
So, nagkasabayan.
Nagkasabayan partner. Mahirap yun partner.
Cholo tsaka si Carlo. So lahat ito so madali lang tawagin.
Cholo naghihintay din ng counter partner ring so, partner.
Ingat na ingat sila.
Ingat na ingat sa pareho.
Uy,
nice body shot from
yung nalusot.
Napakaganda yung partner. Parang na-feel yun lang ni...
Uy.
Parang na-feel yun ni...
Na-feel lang. Ayan, nice. Na-feel. Dalawang body shot.
Body shot.
Minsan lang tayo makakita ng part. Ayan.
Tumayo
partner. Okay, so parang may bahid ng record. Napaka-solid partner.
Tingnan natin partner kasi mataas pa yung time. Mataas pa yung time partner eh.
Okay. So ayan na. So at this point talaga
kailangan din mag-ingat ni Cholo partner kasi sumusuntok din yung kalaban.
Dapat itong si Carlo partner is nag-iingat muna.
Yes,
pero hindi nag-iingat si Carlo partner. Bumibitaw din.
Yung partner kasi kahit nasasaktan na. Maganda yun partner, may puso.
May puso talaga partner. Ayun, medyo ngumuwi ang muka ni Carlo partner. Pero partner medyo medyo na ano ang ating damdamin dito partner kasi hindi natin alam na akala natin is there's no way for Carlo to win this fight but he's using his heart.
Yes, partner.
Uy.
Still on fight.
Ayun na, tumatakbo na
still on fighting pa rin partner.
Si Carlo partner. Okay, pero wag tayong magkumpiyansa talaga, no?
Yes. Kasi
but this is just the first round. Ayan. Okay. Look at the referee partner.
Yes.
Tinitingnan niya ang status ng fight.
Okay? Yes.
If Carlo is still defending, ayun, lumusot ang dalawang hook.
Lumusot pa rin yung hook ng kalaban partner. Still on fighting pa rin partner kahit
napakagandang desisyon ng referee to this fight.
Still continue.
Okay?
Kasi lumalaban pa rin partner kahit nasasaktan na.
Okay? He's surviving partner and also fighting back.
Yes partner.
Wow. Okay. Sulit ang bayad partner. Sulit. Okay, yung mga pumasok dito na magbayad kayo. Okay? Yung hindi pa nakabayad, send lang niya sa GCash ko ang pangbili ng ticket kasi napakaganda ng fight partner.
Yes, man.
Okay, ayan na. Woo! Pati sa round girl partner. Mahal ang bayan na sulit. Okay, ayan.
May lahing British partner.
Yes. Okay. So ayan, Coach Titing on the corner. Okay. And itong si Carlo partner sa stable kaya ito? Si Carlo Romulo?
Hindi ko alam partner kung ano yung stable niya.
Ayan na.
So here again in the second round
actually, partner sa experience pag ganun na wala na pinapahinto agad. Pero good decision. Maganda ang si Cholo.
Still lang sumuntok si Cholo pero good decision pa rin siyempre kasi
Yung kalaban niya is sumusuntok pa rin kahit nasa
It goes to show that Carlo has a very good conditioning.
Yes.
He has a good recovery and hindi siya na taranta
Yes,
with the
yes,
barrage of punches from Cholo. Okay? Yan na. So,
like machine gun partner.
yes, ang dami-dami partner. Oh! Ayan na. So, tatantsahan. Wala pa yung ginitay natin. Ayan. So, a good jab to the body by Cholo.
Yes.
Okay? So, yes,
Good job.
dalawang jab na yan. So, alam na natin ang next niyan. Okay, that's a good
Kumbaga,
setup.
nagsiset up siya ng plan,
yan,
partner.
No? He is overdosing the anticipation of his opponent. So,
Yes.
see?
Yes.
So, after ng jab, halos gipake na lang yung jab sa katawan, then right straight to the head. So, ganun yan. Basta dalawa,
1, 2,
tatlo.
3 from...
Ayun!
Nice counter from Cholo.
That's a very good counter, but still, no, nakatayo pa rin itong si Carlo. That's a very clean punch to the mouth of Carlo Romulo. Ayan na. So, napakagaling talaga itong stable ni Coach Titing.
Yes.
Ang bilis-bilis ng kanyang mga counter. But still, no, standing strong and fighting itong si
Carlo Romulo. Still pa rin lumalaban, partner. Tsaka naghihintay lang din siya ng timing, tamang timing, partner.
Tamang timing. Yes.
Kasi sa nakakita ko sa kanya, counter puncher siya, partner. Si Cholo naman is a...
Ayun! Ayan.
good counter.
This very good counter.
Very good.
But for the side of Carlo Romulo, he needs to double up and also have to dominate the next
Yes,
3
next
rounds
round.
kasi may na-down siya. He was dominated in the first round.
Yes,
That is a
partner.
10-8 round
10-8 round.
against Carlo
Automatic
Romulo.
yun, partner.
Automatic yan.
Natumba ka, 10-8 round talaga yan.
10-8 round yan. Okay? So, and this round is not going any far away, no? This is going away. This fight is going away from Carlo Romulo kapag hindi siya nakabawi dito kasi
Kailangan niya mabawi sa less 2 rounds.
ayun.
Nice
Okay,
1-2
that
from
is a good shift of body and angle. Uy! That's a good evasion by Cholo. Oh, napakaganda ng
Nice
evasion
footwork.
niya.
Nice footwork.
Okay. Shift of angle, change of angle sa
Magaling ang
ulo.
angle.
One of a good uy, ayun.
Nice 1-2. 1-2-3. Again.
Partner.
Good round for both boxers. Nice.